we just go? Can we just go? Think about where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here. Quick little rundown about me. I am a student at Clemson University. This is my third year here, my junior year here. So if you want to check out my previous 2 years here, I have tons of vlogs. I will leave the playlist down below so you can check out my experience here at Clemson. I am here to share, also ignore the windbreaker sound. Here to share some ways you can make money in college, something a lot of people look for or look to YouTube even to give advice on, ways that you can creatively make money, some of the more traditional ways. I'm here to share it all and so much more. So if that sounds like something you want answered, keep on watching. I have about 20 or so of these, so you might want to get comfortable, get a notepad, get your voice memo, but let's just hop right on into it. So the first one is a very common one, which is to either babysit or be someone's nanny. So this is something a lot of college students, even high schoolers, do very often as a more non-traditional, but it's kind of pretty common now, so I would say it's pretty traditional method of making money. Very convenient, usually with flexibility of scheduling. Most of the time you just have to be available depending on the situation of the family, either in the afternoon, like after the kids get out of school, or in the morning, maybe taking them to school. You can find probably a situation that best suits your schedule. Because it is such a flexible job, it can usually work within your class schedule. I would suggest giving that a try, as well as maybe nannying, which typically is more longer term. You can also check out apps like care.com, Sitter City, so many apps out there. Next is to be some type of rideshare driver. This is something, especially if you have a car, you're somebody again who wants a very flexible schedule. This is something I would highly recommend for you to check out. Okay, minor brief intermission. I took off that windbreaker. Continuing on, check out the apps, figure out which one works best for you and pursue it. Next is DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats. There's so many out there, I probably can't even list them all, but just like the rideshare driver, same kind of concept as if you're just delivering food and items to people. So again, it's something that can kind of work around your own schedule, lots of flexibility, and something fun to do during your college years. Next, starting an online business. So you have something that you're passionate about, pursue it. You can sell it on like Instagram, Etsy. There's so many different platforms now to do an online business and to be successful with it, especially if it's a product. You can easily sell it. If it's a service, you can promote it on different social media apps and get your business out there that way. Definitely do your research beforehand on like all the business like back-end stuff before you pursue it. But starting an online business, something that has now become so popular within the past year. Next is to sell thrifted or pre-owned clothing. I did it. I tried it for $20 and it was quite an experience. If you missed that video, it'll also be down below. You can go thrifting, upcycle, and then sell again online. People love vintage clothing, especially if you have more of like an eye for fashion. Know that they're like with any of these businesses, there's kind of high seasons and kind of low seasons. If you're in the dorm, you don't have a ton of storage, so that might be something to keep in mind of like how much inventory you can keep in your dorm or on hand. I would recommend, especially if you're more like a fashionista. Next is house or pet sitting. Pretty chill, I've heard. For most house sitting situations, you just go by. If they have like plants, you water the plants. Same with pet sitting, you just go by, walk the dog. You can get some cardio in, and again, it's super flexible. Like it's just you do when you have the time to do it. So speed round, we're gonna kind of run through the next few. So the next thing is part-time jobs around campus. You could be an RA, work the front desk somewhere on campus, work at the rec center, be a TA, convenient, already there to study, learn. So why not just already have a job right there as well? Part-time jobs on campus. Next up is to be a social media manager for a small business, maybe near you, maybe somewhere else. If you have a knack for social media marketing, you probably can get your foot in the door with some local business and just saying, hey, I think I can really be an asset to you and help you up your sales or help increase traffic, especially online. I would love the opportunity to be able to take some photos, post on social media in exchange for maybe work opportunity, internship, whatever, however you want to pitch it. Definitely go ahead and take your shot at it. Next is to work for Instacart. So kind of like all those other things I mentioned before, just make sure that you read the instructions on like what's required for you to register and be successful in it. Next is to sell stuff on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, etc. So if you have old furniture, old items, things you just think people would want, you can actually sell them and make money easily that way, especially around the time of like after classes in like May and springtime. You can like sell old furniture then, or even right before they start in August, selling it again then to like hot seasons things because people are moving in and moving out. Not even just furniture, but just stuff that you think could be valuable and be sold. You can use apps like that and coordinate it. It's super simple, super easy. Next is to be a secret shopper. So this one is very unique. Usually you sign up with some kind of like company. They give you the instructions on what the assignment is. You fill it out, you complete it, you go do the task, and then you send it back to them. You, in exchange, get whatever financial compensation you both agreed on. They usually don't require much. Very chill, very low key. Something else to make money in college. Some others are to be a DJ, be a tutor, start investing in the stock market. This one you probably want to have some type of knowledge or to educate yourself to some extent, but anybody can do it. Next is to become a certified public notary. So many people need things notarized and they need a notary. So this is kind of a very unique job that I feel like a lot of college students don't think about, but you could become one and easily now you're getting paid just to notarize different documents. Something cool to consider getting certified in. Next is to work for a temp agency. It allows you to be exposed to so many different roles, companies, industries. So I think that would be pretty cool to experience, especially within college. Next, to become a brand ambassador. So many companies out there that want to have like brand ambassadors on campus promoting their products. You might be able to get some free swag in exchange for getting paid for a job. Great experience, great exposure. So the last three are to be doing freelance work through like TaskRabbit type of thing, especially if you're a very handy person. And the next to last one is to be a remote worker or do weird little niche remote jobs. There's people who need like transcribers, people who need like virtual assistants. Type in remote work or like remote assistant, transcriber, all those types of things, and you will find opportunities, I can guarantee it. And the last and final thing is if you're somebody who is very fit or likes a certain type of niche workout, whether that's indoor spinning, whether that's like CrossFit, whatever, become a fitness instructor or trainer. Usually there's opportunities, even you can do this on campus. I've mentioned in videos before of how you can become, train, and get certified as a certain type of fitness trainer. And again, you get paid, you get a workout, and you're doing something again you like. Bottom line of all 20 of these is to find something that you like and find a way that you can monetize it. Anything you took away from this video, I hope it was that final statement. So that was all 20 of the ways you can make money in college. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.